After Chicken Killer traveled back through time.
He's gone. Our friend is gone.
Who knew he was a Chicken Killer all this time?
I know. When Chicken Killer went back in time...
Father, it's me. I came to bring you back to the present.
Wait, I'm not even married.
I'm from the future.
Oh, that's cool!
I'm bringing you to the future so you won't die when you're older.
How do I die?
Well, when the dogs start... never mind. Come on, we'll go back to the future.
What is this?
It's your time machine. 1, 2, 3. Here's the future.
Whoa, those cars are big! Oh, hey, Chicken Killer. Wait, what?
Oh, I bring my dad from the future.
Oh, hey, Mr. What's his face? Oh, hey, Mr. Chicken Killer's dad.
Wait, so much is going on. Yours, Dad?
Yeah, but I'm from the future.
I bring him so he won't die from when he's older. My stomach hurts. I think I'm fading away.
What's up, guys?
Hi, this is my dad.
Wait, does that mean... Wait a second. If that is your dad, if you got him from the past and he isn't there for the future, and he wasn't there to make you, that must mean...
I'm fading away.
Oh my gosh! Ah! He's gone. He's gone. Well, he was a bad guy.
Well, now we have a person from the 1980s.
1980s. It's 1982.
What should we do now?
We should probably take him back from whence he came. 1, 2, 3. Why isn't it working?
It's not working!
I guess we have to stay here then.
Well...